In this recording, I'm going to show you how to add a new patient and submit a fast track retainer. First, you want to click on the upper right-hand corner, Add New Patient. Then you want to put in the patient's first and last name, along with the date of birth, making sure to assign it to a clinician. From here, you'll see three options: uAssist Aligner, Self-Plan Aligner or Retainer, or Retainer Only Fast Track Availability. Then you want to simply drag and drop your upper and lower scans into the download box, making sure it's the correct patient, then click Next. You will notice the retainer prescription has a couple different options. We have a bracket removal, remove scanned attachment or buttons, cover a lingual bar, remove a lingual bar, add bite ramps or pontics. If you select Add bite ramps or pontics, you will see the Approval Requested button has been selected. If you would like to review your case before ordering, you can do that. This will get sent to uAssist, and then you'll get a review plan back, and then you'll be able to order, or you can simply fast track. I'm going to unclick the approval request. No additional notes are needed, and click Next. Making sure to look over your prescription summary report, click Next, and you will see that this will bring us right into the ordering screen. You will see the option for your retainer bundles or a la carte. I'm going to select the 2 retainer bundle and click Next. Making sure to select my retainers, upper and lower. And if I want to change the coverage on my terminal molars for the upper or for the lower, I can do so here. Making sure to select the material and click Next. Here, you want to make sure the address is correct, and if you need to add an alternative address, you can click here and add that alternative address. You'll also see your premium shipping selected and your custom packaging logo if you have it set up. Click Review. Making sure everything looks correct on your order summary. And once you've reviewed, you can click Submit to uAssist and place your order. From here, you can simply close your case.